Okay, so we've got this big picture we've been working on the last couple of weeks where we have attitude signals, we have count signals, and then in this lesson, we're going to be looking at soup preference signals. And we have an order of priority, right? If our first priority is to send partner an attitude signal, right? And we have two situations for the attitude signal. That is when partner leads, right, for attitude. Let's just get our big picture here before we dive into everything else. Attitude signal, two situations is when partner leads, and I'm gonna put a P for partner, and when we are discarding. Okay, discarding is our attitude signal. We're saying whether or not we like the suit that we are discarding in. Discards. Then we took a look at the count signal and we said to ourselves, okay, if the attitude signal is known or irrelevant, right? Known or irrelevant, then our signal defaults to count. And that's when declare leads. We'll put a D for declare. And when we are returning partners led suit. So we'll put RT partners led suit. Right? So those are our two situations for count. Now, if count is known or irrelevant, we are now looking at the soup preference signal, and that's today's class. Now, I have four common situations for the soup preference signal. The two that I want you to take away from this lesson is when dummy holds a singleton and when you're giving or suspect that your partner is roughing. It doesn't have to be 100%, but if you're suspecting your partner is roughing. So those two right there are going to complete our 2 by 2 by 2. Okay, dummy holds a singleton. Dummy has a singleton. I'll just write S-I-N-G for singleton. And when giving partner a rough. If either you suspect it or you know for sure you're giving them a rough. Giving P a rough. Okay, we will look at two other common situations in this lesson that you can tuck away for later, but I just want to put them out on the table because they're interesting situations and they're concrete, okay? And you can see them. What I mean by concrete is you can see these two situations or you can hear them in the auction, right? So again, big picture from this lesson is our two big soup preference situations are when dummy holds a singleton and when giving or suspecting that partner is going to rough.